Earn double rewards from Folks Finance Liquid Governance with a special opportunity only available in Q1 2025. During Governance Period 14, you can get yield from Algorand Governance and Consensus only on Folks Finance. Here's how to access it with a simple, no-code solution. Once you've logged in with your Algorand wallet, you'll need to mint ALGO on Folks. Click on the ALGO tab to start. To join Consensus, you'll need to mint at least 30,000 ALGO. Input the amount of ALGO you want to commit, click Commit, and sign with your wallet. If you don't have 30,000 ALGO, don't worry. You can use leveraged commit with as little as 7,500 ALGO if you use a 4x multiplier. This will get you to 30,000 ALGO minted and qualify you for Consensus rewards. We will be using Aust's one-click node to join Consensus. This is an external application built by a member of the Algorand community, HighForge founder Austin Probst. It is not an official Folks Finance app. Therefore, it is not officially endorsed. The open source code for the app is available on Austin's GitHub page for review. To get started, navigate to Austin's GitHub page. The link is shown on screen and will be in the description of this video, or you can search Aust's one-click node and find the page. Make sure it is the real GitHub page. Navigate to the releases page and download the version compatible with your operating system. .exe is for Windows, .deb is for Linux, and .dmg is for macOS. Open and install the downloaded file. Open the Aust's one-click node application. Allow the node to sync. This may take some time. Do not close the application or shut down your operating system while the node is syncing. For reference, while recording this video, the syncing process took about 45 minutes. While syncing, the node is collecting historical data of the Algorand chain. Next, open the Consensus modal on Folks Finance and copy the escrow address. Make sure the wallet you use to mint ALGO is connected to the Folks app. Click the blue wallet button on Aust's one-click node. Click Add next to Watch. Paste the escrow wallet you copied from Folks Finance. Click Add again. Click Generate Keys and wait a few minutes for the generation to complete. It may take 5 to 10 minutes. Once the keys are generated, copy and paste the following from Aust's one-click node into the modal on Folks Finance: vote key, selection key, state proof key, vote first round, vote last round, and vote key dilution. Click Register on Folks Finance's Consensus modal and sign with your wallet. Importantly, if you registered online before the Algorand network staking upgrade, you'll have to register again after the upgrade, which means filling in the modal on Folks Finance, signing, and submitting a new transaction. This is key to accessing double rewards. Your node should show online status within 60 seconds. After about 300 rounds, which means 300 blocks, you will begin to see your blocks proposed and blocks voted metrics go up. Following these steps should have brought your algo stake online. When using Aust's one-click node, the app must stay on at all times to continue running the node. Quitting the app, closing, or turning off your computer will interrupt the connection. We hope this video helped you get started with Consensus through Folks. If you have any questions, join our social channels and ask our community. See you next time.